Okay, so I've never made the recipe I'm doing right now, so I put the camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing. So, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup peanut butter. If you don't like peanut butter, I can't trust you. 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 egg, half cup of chocolate chips, more. Obviously mix until it looks like this. My cookie sheet out, baking pan, whatever. And I'm putting in parchment paper. If you hear my kids, they're like fighting right now. Just ignore them. So I got my tablespoon and then I'm just gonna scoop them out and place them. Oh man, this sounds kind of sticky. I hope this comes out. I've never made these, like I said, so